If you've got a plain old interior door and you'd like to convert it to a barn door, I'm going to show you how. First, you take your door off of the hinges. Remove the hardware from the door frame and fill it with sandable wood putty. Do the same with the door jamb and also the hinge side on the door. Let that putty dry and then sand it down. In the meantime, you'll work on the door itself. Cut 2x2s to attach to the top and the bottom of your door. This will give your door more height, which it needs in order to sit on the track properly. You'll then cut 1x4s the length of your door and you'll add these to the sides. Look how nicely the 1x4 covers up the hole from the doorknob. Hold this in place using some liquid nails. Then you'll measure and cut some 1x4s for the horizontal parts of your door. Measure these so that they're spaced the way you'd like for them to be. Then secure everything in place using a nail gun. Caulk the gaps between your wood pieces and also along the inside where the wood touches the door itself so that everything will look seamless. Next step is to paint, add your barn door hardware, and hang your door. If you'd like the links for where to find the hardware for the track and for the door handle, please visit my website, marciasokas.com. Here you'll also find more detailed instructions on the build itself, as well as other projects that you might enjoy. I hope you love your new door.